will talk about how can you enable Islamic account uh, on your Pocket option app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on settings. When you just click on settings here, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on Islamic account, just click on it. When you click on Islamic account here, so then you go down, come here to Islamic halal account, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's mean Islamic halal account enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.